So, hello everyone, this is Abhishek from Anurag University. I have been assigned a task by Zithara in round 2 to build React and Node.js application. This is a simple customer management built with React.js, Node.js, Express and PostgreSQL. I have named my app as customer management data. So here is the task what they have given. We have to we have to build a React and Node.js application by using the PostgreSQL database. So first, that in the first phase is about we have to create a 50 records in the database by using the following fields such as serial number, customer name, age, phone, location, and created at what date and what time, etc. So I have created this dummy data in the PostgreSQL. So let's move to the PostgreSQL PG admin for application. So here I have created a dummy data. Let's see this. So first in this PostgreSQL 16 server, I have connected this PostgreSQL 16 server to the node and Express. In this I have created some tables, and in the table named employee, which have columns in it, which they were provided according to the requirements. So let's see this: serial number, customer name, age, phone, location, created it or what time, etc. This is date and this is time. So we can see here there are 50 data points in this, and this is all dummy data. I took it as randomly. So this is the data which I have created, and coming to the front end part, that is the database. So first, in the front end part, I have used index.html. I have named this as my website name as Zithara project. So here I have given the everything whatever the front page needs by HTML, and then app.js. In this app.js we will have everything like what are we going to connect from the database. Let's see once. So I have used this bootstrap.min.css already for styling the style sheets of CSS file, and then I have used this React useFX and useState for importing the React these methods from the another file, and then by using these I have implemented this in localhost. So whatever we have seen in the database in the PostgreSQL, that will be displayed in here 5000 API employee. This will that data will be displayed in a JSON format. So yeah, let's see what is there. And I have created some class names, like it's all division between them, and then yeah, these are the names which we are going to see in the display page, and then I have mapped it to employees, so which will render the data about what are the serial numbers, what are customer names, and etc. And then yeah, these are buttons. For this button is for previous page, this button is for next page. By clicking this button we'll go to the previous page. By clicking this button we'll go to the next page. This is about and yeah, I have exported it to index.js, which is main one. Here we can see first we have imported React and React DOM. Obviously we have to do it, and index.css which is used for styling. And as we saw about this app.js, about this, and in app.tests we have linked the one page to next page, previous page to next page. This is used for this. And this in this package.json we'll have all the packages which we have installed already. So I have installed these dependencies first. as you can see, Axios, React, React DOM, Web Vitals, etc., React Strapped, React Strips, and these are the scripts which I have used: start, build, test, eject, development. Yeah, these will be all will be included. And then coming to the backend, which is database. So as we have already know that I have created a database in the PostgreSQL. So by using that, I have here going to call it to this VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Like I'm going to create a new variable called client. In the client, I'm going to declare them like host. What is host? I'm going to use it localhost only, and user Postgres. Port is 5432, which is a default one, and database Zithara, which I have used in this. We can see here the database is Zithara from PostgreSQL 16 server, and the password is my password. It's my own password for the database, and we have connected it. So I'm going to import the employee data from this, which is this one. The table name is employee. We can see here this whole data will be imported, will be connected to here by client connect, which we have already declared here. And then in server.js, in package.json, same, like we will have the dependencies like cors, express, pg, which is required for postgres connection, etc. Yeah, that's it. And in server.js, we'll import these packages which we have installed, the dependencies which we have installed. And then as we already talked about these things, and then we will connect the client to this, which will connect the database to this front end, to display the data. And we can see here the schema, what is the actual schema of the PostgreSQL. So if you see, select serial number, customer name, age, phone, location, whatever the columns we have seen here, I have selected those columns. And then if we see this console.error, if this is not executed, then it will throw an error. If this is executed, it will perfectly display the values among there. Yeah, about that. So this is the task. I have created the 50 dummy data, and creating a single page application we have done by using Express and Node.js. And then this phase, like created at column, have to display two different separate columns as date and time, which I have also used. And then the search functionality will search the data column by name or location. Yeah, I have also implemented the search here in this. We can see here in the search, this is a search function and this is a sort function. I have also implemented the fourth and fifth points. So without wasting the time, we'll run it. So first, I have connected the database, right? So first, to check that whether the data is importing to the Visual Studio Code or not, to check that, I'm going to pass this command. So as we can see, the data which I had in PostgreSQL is displayed here. So this states that the data is successfully linked to the VS Code. Yeah. So next, we are going to run the server. So server.js, which is backend. So it's successfully running on the port 5000. It is not that. It is just not running the backend, and we also have to run the development server to display the data. So npm start, we are going to run the development environment to display the data. So it will take very few seconds. It's no more than 3 or 4 seconds. Yeah, this is output. We can see here the customer management data. So we can search here by name or location. Let's take any name like myself Abhishek. Myself Abhishek. Abhi, yeah. I saved it as myself Abhi, yeah, okay. And then Meghna, certain names, any names, okay, Meghna. Then like many number of names are there here. We can search by any name, like see, there is a Dikshit here, only it will appear Dikshit, yeah, that's it. And like we can also search by location. See here, there are locations. So if we want to know how many people from Hyderabad, so we can directly say like there are certain people from Hyderabad, these are the people from Hyderabad, so we can directly know them. And not only that, we can also sort the data by time. Like see, we can at 12:13, at 1:05, 2:32, 2:42, it's sorted by it's sorted in a ascending order by time. And if we want to sort by the date, see, we can see here yeah, Jagadish, 1980, 1981, 2000, 2002, 2002, 2003, 2004, like this. We can sort by date. Yeah, and also as per the given task, the one page should only display 20 20 data points. So I have only 20 data points in this, and if we go to next page, we can see another 20 data points. And if we go to next page, 10 data points. So like this, total 50. We can even go to previous page, which will work perfectly. Yeah, that's it. This total 50 data points in different pages. Like as per the given task, you have to display them in 20, 20, and 10. And if we want to see about this, how the data is displaying in a JSON format, we can see here serial number 3, customer name, Jagdish, like this. This total will be displayed in the JSON format by continuing to this link. And so I have successfully completed the task which was given by the Zithara. Thank you for the team. Thank you for the Zithara recruiting team for giving me this task. Thank you.